something in here, did you?
No.
It looked like plastic to me. Something was on there.
No, that was like that was kind of happened or like that because I never really touched it.
I don't think there's no place to hook this to. It's hard to get the touch here. Yeah, I don't think I'm touching the high. I'm just touching the. I heard the torque. Take that down. Are you moving it down?
Are you moving in the arm position?
Yep. Hey!
That's my husband.
Good. I need the battery, right? Yep, you want to hold me 1 second? It took a couple seconds for it to get enough juice in it.
And then you have to drive it around to charge it up, right?
Well, not to get a new battery.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the battery. My advice when you take something apart, take a picture before you unload it.
You know what? I did, and I have so many pictures of it, and I forgot.
Yeah, one wire off. Yeah. This one's okay because there's only 2 wires. This one got too many wires. That's why I said I think one was faced this way and the other one was faced this way. That's fine. Can't get it flat. That's it.
Alright.
But now you know where this is the main fuse.
What are they, 10 amps each?
No, this is a 30 amp. That's the main.
Right.
This one down there is the dashboard. See it on the video? Yeah, you see it on At least you know where it is.
Okay. And I don't need any maintenance on it for a while?
No, not that many miles.
Yeah. No, 27 miles.
No, everything you should do it before you. You should do before winter, or before every spring is to open this box up and make sure there's no mice in here. They go right down this pipe. See it's wide open.
What's like an air filter or something?
Yeah, but the air filter's here and mice like to climb in here.
Okay. Yeah, I know. We had that with the cars too.
Yeah. But I don't know why they did this. They put 2 screws on one side and clips on the
Listen,
other.
this is a Cfmoto.
Yeah,
Supposedly very popular.
Yeah, I know, and also very expensive when they break down, very hard to fix. Yes, I know. I've watched videos.
Okay. How much do I owe you?
$20. I always charge $20 for a call if I don't have to fix anything.
Yeah, you did though.
Yeah, I know. We diagnosed.